messed up. Any hiccups? How long do you think his face will be wrinkly for?
I don't know. I don't think it's that wrinkly.